Hey, how you doing? Is it Friday already? That's how long this week was. I think I've come to the end of a long week. Ugh. The dry spell is over. It's quite busy past couple of days. I hope that trend does not continue, but it's been really crazy lately. Come to work and go to the first thing, and like tonight I went to the first thing and I didn't have time to do anything until I got to the station. I didn't even have time to go to Trip Quick or anything, so I think me and the dogs are gonna enjoy ourselves for a little bit. I'm tired. Coffee. It's called the Kevin. Friday. I guess it's like what, $1.50 day? I don't know. We'll see. 95% off. Yep, 50-cent day. Got 2 bags. It was like under $5 plus. Oh, you can see it. You can see it. I got this thing right here. And cheapest I can find them is like $8. I get that one for 50 cents. So.